Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to swap a string to reverse the string halfway. Just reverse the string. Let me show you the program. IOStream basic. So let me include IOStream. Now using namespace std and now int main. Now in this program we will require three variables. I'll name them temp, I and j, and a string which I will be defining differently. The latest C standard makes it optional for us to have the string class and then name the string, but I will use char a6 hello. Simple. Now to reverse the string, this is what we do. For I equal to 0, j equal to 5, and let me make that j. Yes, now I less than 3, that is halfway, comma j greater than 3, because we don't want to swap this. We just need to swap this and this, e and l, h and o, and then I plus plus and j minus minus. That's it. Now we will define everything inside this. We will require three statements. First is temp equal to a I and a I equal to a j equal to temp. Now we'll output the string cout a I. We'll require for loop for I equal to 1, I less than 6, I plus plus, and put that indentation. Now see hello.